Hey Jarvis.
Good evening, Monesh. 17.384 latitude, 78.4564 longitude. Current location is Hyderabad, India. Weather type haze. Wind speed is 1.54 meter per second. Temperature, 24.04 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 53. I am Jarvis. Please tell me how can I help you, Monesh?
Search for Google in Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software, and hardware. It is considered one of the big 5 technology companies in the U.S. information technology industry, alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple, and Microsoft. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were PhD students at Stanford University in California.
Jarvis, are you there? Jarvis, are you there?
Yes, Monesh, at your service.
Tell me a joke.
Complaining about the lack of smoking shelters, the nicotine-addicted Python programmer said there ought to be spaces for tabs. Ubuntu users are apt to get this joke. Obfuscated reality mappers, forms, can be useful database tools. Asked to explain Unicode during an interview, Jeff went into detail about his final year university project. He was not hired. Triumphantly, Beth removed Python 2.7 from her server in 2030. Finally, she said with glee, only to see the announcement for Python 4.4.
Jarvis, tell me about my CPU.
CPU is at 9.7. Battery is at 52.
Or else, Jarvis, open Stack Overflow. Thank you. Jarvis, open Google. Jarvis, search YouTube. Jarvis, search YouTube.
What do you want to search on YouTube?
Spider-Man. Search.
What do you want to search for?
Marvel.
Here is what I found for Marvel.
Your master. Who is your master?
Monesh is my master. He created me a couple of days ago.
What is your name?
My name is Jarvis.
GitHub. My YouTube. Remember me that I have to wake up tomorrow. Remember that.
What should I remember, Monesh?
I have to wake up early tomorrow.
You said me to remember I have to wake up early tomorrow.
Yes. Do you remember anything?
You said me to remember that I have to wake up early tomorrow.
News.
Of course, Monesh. Source, The Times of India. Today's headlines are: no surprise, Trump left many clues he wouldn't go quietly. Moving on the next news headline.
Jarvis, open YouTube downloader. A YouTube downloader window will be popped up. You need to copy any YouTube link you need to download. And then paste it here. Click on Start Download. It will ask for a location. I'll be selecting desktop. Select folder. Now it will be downloaded. It is downloaded successfully. Click on OK and check if it is downloaded. It is downloaded.